So we're going to get the least common multiple of a given item. So ang tawag dito guys ay parang getting its greatest common factor tapos di-divide natin sa both number. So 8 and 14, ang greatest common factor nila ay 4. Kaya kung divide natin, ito magiging 2, divide natin magiging 3. So ginagawa natin dyan para makuha yung LCM guys. So greatest common factor times the remaining factor niya. So 4 times 2 times 3 ay 24. So same thing with this, greatest common factor of 5 times 2 times 3, that will become 830. So for our number 3 example, 14 and 28. So a common po ay 2, dinivide po naging 7 at 14. May common pa dito, 7, kaya naging 1 at 2. So 2 times 7, 14 times 1, 14 times 2, 20. Kaya po 28 ang ating LCM. So dito ang ating greatest common factor ay 9. So it will become 2 pag dinivide natin. Pag dinivide natin naging 3. Kaya 8 times 2 times 3 ay 54. At guys, ganun kadali.